Hi, my name is Barton Seaver. I'm a chef and an author, and today I'm sharing with you how to griddle seafood. Griddling is a great way to get your family very engaged with seafood because there's so much drama to it. Griddling has what I call the fajita effect, because as soon as you put on that sauce onto the plate, all that aroma blooms and your family is ready and raring to go to eat this seafood. So what I've done is I've made a marinade of some herbs, mint, lemon zest, parsley, little olive oil, and I marinated some scallops today. However, chunks of salmon, chunks of swordfish, really any seafood will do. Anything that's large enough to put onto a kebab. Now, I've seared the scallops on one side so the marinade gets crispy and crunchy, golden brown, so much caramelized flavor to it. And you can see these aromas wafting off. And what I did is I saved the other half of the marinade. So, ready for the fajita effect? That right there, that's pretty cool. Methods like this that really entice people to the table are a great way to put seafood on your family's table more often. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video about griddling seafood. And for more information about the great health benefits provided by seafood, please visit www.seafoodnutrition.org.